It's a new 2019 Ford Fusion. Respond to the mundane with this stimulating Fusion. It has the composed ride, sharp handling, and safety features you're looking for in a midsize sedan. It comes with the features you need, and better yet, want. Bluetooth streaming audio, smartphone wireless charging, dual zone climate control, configurable instrument gauges, Ford Pass Connect Wi-Fi hotspot, manual tilting steering column, engine auto stop start feature, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and automatic transmission. Edmunds.com finds its light steering yields ample feedback, and the whole package changes direction with remarkable ease. Every generation has its Ford. This one's yours. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At Lakeland Auto Mall, your complete satisfaction is our #1 goal. We are conveniently located at 1430 West Memorial Boulevard in Lakeland, Florida.